What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please know that this is not financial advice. You can do whatever you like with your money. And that being said, unfortunately, we already know that everything tastes better with Casper. I don't have my mug with me. I miss that coffee. But anyways, we about to do the same thing we do every day. We'll take a look at the market, take a look at how the market has been reacting for the past 24 hours. We also going to take a look at our prices. Detail a little bit more details to see what the next move will be. We can try to pinpoint that, and also going to look at our positions to see how good, bad, ugly, or even sideways how they're doing. After that, guys, oh my God, woo! What a day! What a day to be a crypto investor! What a day! What a day to be trading Casper and the rest of the coins. I'm kind of going to say I'm not surprised. Okay, I'm not surprised. In every crypto bull run, there usually be a black swan event. Let's see, but whew, guys. I told you guys, okay? I've said it not once, not twice. I've said it time after time. This Bitcoin ETF was the beginning of the end of Bitcoin as we know it. Because now they can manipulate, turn it inside out the ever way they want it. Okay? We already knew the stock market was about to crash. Okay? But as the government was preparing, okay, we all knew the government was getting ready for the rate cuts, and that is the way I thought they were going to contain the crash of their stock market. But right now, people still have that mentality, okay, that everything revolves around Bitcoin. Until we take away that mentality, until Casper and every other coin that we hold out there, decouples from Bitcoin, which is almost nearly impossible until Casper comes to shows that it can also have a store of value. These things will keep happening. It was very funny because I watched the whole crash. I watched it happen, and I had to move. Like as a trader, you have to move, try to contain the damage. I've always told you guys, I don't close unless I have to. Okay, but all I have to do is try to scale up my trades as far as possible to make sure that my liquidation points don't get hit. Still yet, we're still in the danger zone right now. But again, things like this happen. It's okay. That's why they always say in crypto, do not invest money you are not ready to lose. Do not invest that. Much more, it's excuse me, even worse on leverage trades. Okay, do not leverage it. Like I always say, unless you have experience, do not leverage trade. Okay, but anyways, this is what we do here. As I always told you guys, in every negative situation there is always an opportunity, always. And that's what we do here at my millionaire journey. We find and try to get those opportunities right now. I'm gonna tell you this. Yes, it was crashing. It was very heartbreaking to watch it crash. But look at the good side of it. If you scaled up your positions, now your reward, once the market start picking up, your rewards are going to be even higher than they was. You understand what I mean? Because now I'm gonna show you my positions right quick, and you're about to see. Because they look absolutely absolutely horrible. That's what it looked like. I'm not gonna hide it. You guys already know how it is in my channel. I'm always transparent and I'm always straightforward with you guys. Again, it presents that opportunity, more opportunity for you to buy more quant, more opportunity for you to get. Trust me, you need to get that Casper, not financial advice, because right now these cheap prices you're looking at right now, they're about to pick up. Casper has a lot coming up in the upcoming let's say week. In the upcoming weeks, probably 2 to 3 weeks, we have a lot. I've always told you guys this. If you watch my videos, I told you the next 3 months are going to be epic. Epic for the coins that we are trading. For Casper, for Quant, and for Jasmine. And guys, I really mean it. That's why yeah, like I said, heartbreaking to watch it crash. Okay, people like see your position go one high level. Excuse me. Watch your positions go from one high level to almost nothing. A lot of people getting liquidated and stuff like that. Like I said, it did not make no sense for this crash. The fear and greed index was already in fear. Okay, the liquidation maps, liquidation prices were high at the top. Okay, the point that Bitcoin falling to 50k or 55k, whatever it went, did not make any sense. But again, those with big money with the ETF, all they have to do is manipulate that price. So look at the outflows on the ETFs. You will understand even better. So yeah, it's not your fault. I'll say it again. It's just things that happen. A black swan event. Last run we had the COVID. The COVID. This is exactly what happened in the COVID. Just look at the charts. Okay, just look at the charts, and you will understand it. Again, as this is my millionaire journey, that is what we do. We try to find those opportunities. We try to find it, because trust me, this one that just happened is a monumental money making opportunity. I told you guys yesterday, just is the hardest part of it is to try to catch that falling knife. But if you catch it, you will not even remember that this thing dipped like this. Okay, you will not remember. And that's exactly what I did. I'm about to show you guys my positions, but first of all, let's go look at the entire market to see how the market is been reacting, which you guys already know how we did. But let's start with crypto bubbles first. The crypto bubble right here. This is for the past day, man. It's swimming in sea. But as you can see, for the past hour, things are beginning to recover. Like I told you guys, all this is manipulation. All you have to do is try to make sure that your liquidation point, if you are trading on leverage, your liquidation does not get hit. And if you are trading on spot, just get more coins. That's how simple that is. I know it's hard to do, but that is already how simple that is. I usually keep some USDT on the side just in case something like this happens. I hope you did the same. But anyways, let's look at our coins right quick. We start with Casper, KAS. As you can see, for the past hour, look at that. For the past 1 hour, Casper is up, guys, 15.7%. On the day, we're down 13.4%. On the week, we're down 21%. On the month, we're down 6.3%. But on the year, we are still up 22%. Okay, so now let's go look at Quant, QNT. Okay, we look at Quant again. You see that the bounce has already started. Hopefully this was the end of it. And if you look at this, the past hour, Quant is up 7.3%, 7.8% down on the day, 20% down on the week, 21.3% down on the month, and 43.8% down on the year. So yeah, it's 43.9% down on the year. Again, it dropped because of the Black Swan event. Now let's go look at Jasmine right quick. JASMY. Okay, Jasmine, as you can see, the same. It's always reversing back up again. We have 9.6% up in the past hour. We have 16.5 down on the day, 42.5 down on the week, 16.9 down on the month, and we are still up 385% up on the year. So yeah, exactly what I'm telling you guys. So if you didn't have a position open and you try to catch that falling knife, if you did it when it was still dropping, now you probably be up. Those of us who already had, I already had my position. All I just had to do is, all I did is was to scale it up. You know, scale it up, and I ran out of the USDT on that my Bydfi, so I had to close the Jasmine position on Bydfi, which I'm explaining to you guys exactly what I did. Okay, so now let's go look at the price in a little more details on Trading View. Okay, excuse me for a second. Trading View right here. This is Trading View. So we're gonna start with Casper on the 4 hours. I drew the Fibonacci retracement. Okay, Fibonacci retracement to show you from the top where the price went to the lowest where it went. As you can see, it's it's let me see, respected respected the Fibonacci retracement right on the dot. Look at that. Price touch it, went right back up. So now it wicked above again, above the golden ratio, and exactly I'm expecting this thing to go above that golden ratio on that 15.6, 15.8, in between that. That's what I'm expecting Casper to do right now. So from there, we're about to see if this was just a bounce to continue downwards, or this was the bounce that we need. Hopefully it won't go back down again, but honestly, to be telling you guys, I think the black swan event is done, because if you look at the way Bitcoin went almost 50k, and look at the way they started buying it right back up. So I think this dump is done with. This was a flash crash, and everybody, they got what they wanted. Look at the stocks have started to climb back up again. So yeah, it was exactly what they wanted. And if you can look at it, look, it went down, touched it, got bought right back up again, went down, got bought right back again. Look at that again, went down, got bought right back up again. So yeah. Whoa, like I'm telling you guys, it takes a lot of money to do this, especially when it is Bitcoin. It takes a lot of money for somebody to move Bitcoin the way they moved it. So now you know, all those people that were happy for the Bitcoin ETF, the way exactly. So yeah. It's funny, but at the same time, it's an exciting moment. You know, you get through that adrenaline rushing, and things like this begin to happen. Then you know that, yeah, we about to make that money. That's what it is. Okay, that's exactly what it is. Let's look at the 1 hour right quick. 1 hour right there. Look at that. Exactly like I'm telling you guys. We went all the way. Look at how it dumped. Like, this was crazy, man. This was crazy. But look at that. We bought right back up. It wicked above the golden ratio, came back again. I'm telling you guys, this thing is about to go above it. It's about to go above that 15.7, 15.8, and resume the uptrend. Look again. See the ribbon? Ribbon has started curving. Textbook reversal. It has started to curve. So it will start curve, then the price will follow. This is just this is just funny, guys. It is really funny. And before we continue to the next coin, let me show you something right quick. Let's go here, right there. Because, like, if you guys know, so many times I've told you guys that price usually follow hash rate, right? Okay, let me look at hash rate right quick. Look at this, guys. Hash rate is the blue line, and the white line is is the price. So look at this. See how high the blue line is gone, and look at the price. I'm telling you guys, this thing is about to reverse. If the reverse has already started, and the explosive move this thing is about to take. Okay, now let me show you this is about to take an explosive move, and now let me show you where this may be going right quick. So let me go back into my trading view. Now I'm gonna go back to the daily. If I go on the daily, okay, so the swing high to swing low, right? Now look here, let me bring back my arrow right quick. Like I told you guys, this is already making that reversal. So the golden pocket is right here. So we're about to go minimum to see this bounce happen 16.7, and then we have ultimate right here 19, and we already know what usually happens once Casper gets to those previous all-time high supports and resistance. It's about to break it. Now look, get back to the 1 hour right quick. Let me show you another thing. Oh, come on, not weak, not weak. I want to show in the 1 hour. Okay, look at that. Look at that, the candle that we just formed. Okay, look at this candle, reverse hammer. This is another one. I'm telling you, see this? This is a reversal. It is going up. There's no two ways about it. It is going up. And if you've been following, like I told you guys, scale up your trades. The more you scale it up, you are not going to get liquidated. You're not going to get liquidated. Okay, so let's go look at Quant right quick. Quant QNT. Let's go here, Binance chart. There you go. Look at that candle, guys. Look at that candle. This is it must be good to have this kind of money to try to, to manipulate the market the way they're doing it. Look at that candle. See, price dumped all the way down to $50 on Quant. Okay, they try to push it down. There's this doji right here, and now look at the candle. Look at that candle. So yeah, I'm extremely bullish for all my projects. I mean, all my positions. I've always been. Like I said, nobody could have predicted this happening, but it is happened. So right now, I'm glad it happened right now when the bull run just started versus it happening when we're in the middle of the bull run or towards the top. But anyways, look at that. Look at the ribbon. Ribbon curving again. Price action has started to go up. Now we're gonna look to take $64 for Quant to go above it, and it lines right with the bottom of that support of the major triangle that Quant is building. If you draw the fib from the all-time high to the all-time low of Quant, you're about to see it. Now let me go to the 1 hour, the 4 hours right quick. See that? Everything screams reversal. We went low. They tried to drag it low. No way. They tried again low. Look at how fast it got bought up. So yeah, we about to start going back again to try to reclaim this $64 point, which is lines up again. Like I said, it lines up with the support versus resistance of the bottom of that triangle. How I got it, it's just like when you go on the all-time high. Okay, if you go to the all-time high, you will see it. See, look at that right here. This is the bottom of that triangle, and look at where we are. So price is receding easily and nicely. So yeah, guys, the dump for me, I think it is over. It is over. So people need to start making their position. Now take your position, start to make that money, because that's what we're here for. Do not fear. When people are afraid, that's when you need to take your bags. Quant is getting ready. Look at it on the any time frame you want to look at. If you look on the day, okay, you're about to see that is when it happened. See right here, Quant dropped all the way down, and now price is going right back up. So I'm expecting today to have like a green candle, and then those green candles start to go up. This resistance that we had, we need to cross it, and then the good thing about it is like once we break this resistance that we had since I think March, sometime earlier this year, once we break it, we're also going to break the bottom of the triangle, and we'll be back in the same price action that we started. Now, guys, like I said it's easier to catch a falling knife, but if you catch it, you'll be in for a very big surprise. Now, let's go look at Jasmine right quick. Jasmine. There we go on Binance. Now, Jasmine, the only problem I have with Jasmine is that the bull flag that we had forming on the weekly, okay, unless guys, between today and tomorrow, unless this price can reverse, okay, unless the price can, excuse me, let me grab my arrow. Unless the price can reverse above, again, at least 2.5 or into this uptrend that we have here, 2.8, between today and tomorrow, if price reverses all the way up there, then the bull flag is still intact. If price does not reverse and we keep chugging along here, because I'm looking at the moving average, it looks like it's want to curve downwards or probably just go straight then before it's taking off again. So if we start to go along here without taking this 2.3 resistance, then yes, the bull flag that was being formed on the weekly will be invalidated. Okay, but if the price goes right back off above again 2.3 and start to climb up, then yes, the bull flag is still intact. Again, there's not much different from any other crypto. Like again, when Bitcoin decide to cause the havoc, this is exactly what happens. Everything starts to drop. Now let's go on the 4-hourly real quick. Let's see if we can spot any reversal. Well, the good thing about this, as you can see, Jasmine already is trying again. See, it's already started with the support and resistance at 1.8. You guys remember on our way up, this was a very tough price to crack. But right now, the way you're looking at it, it looks like Jasmine is trying to break above it again. So once we break that, we do have 2.3. Like I told you guys, we need to break above this and keep that bull flag on the weekly, keep it in the intact. Okay, so again, you need to make your moves accordingly. Like I'm telling you guys, let me go back here. Like I'm telling you guys, man, it was a busy day for me as a trader, because I was watching this thing scale up right here, move these profits from here to there. Now try to do this from here, because like I have a lot in play. You guys know I'm a very aggressive trader. I trade at 50x. So when the market drops like this, imagine how I have to move my funds to make sure my positions don't get closed out. You understand? Anyway, you're about to understand here. You're about to get a clearer view on it right now. Let me take you to my Bydfi, where I have my long-term trades, and let's see how everything is going over there. Bydfi, right here. Okay, this is where the fun begins, guys. Those of you who've been following my channel, you know my overall here was almost $30,000, and then we came down to 25, then we came down to 22, which again, I'm telling you guys, I'm not worried about it, because this account, we're going to turn it into a 6-figure account in 10 to 12 months. You're about to see that. But you see my overall right now, it dropped after the crash. The whole thing dropped, guys. Yesterday this thing was at $9,000 or $8,000. That's where it was. Now today, as you can see, the recovery has started, and I'm almost back up again at $14,000. Looking at the contracts themselves, right now I only got 2 contracts in here. I have Casper and I have Quant. Okay, the reason is because, first of all, like I told you guys, I was going to close Jasmine because Bydfi does not allow me to do a 50x on Jasmine. Okay, the bad thing about it, we had this Black Swan event. But the good thing about it, it gave me the opportunity to close that Jasmine trade and transfer those funds to my Phemex account. Some of it, not all of it, because I had to scale up. As you can see it now. Look at here, and you will see that my overall for Casper, it is $8,200. Okay, my liquidation still the same, it's still 6 cents. But what the big surprise is on my Quant. You guys remember my Quant, my position was $4,000, but now my position is $7,400. That's what my position is on Quant right now, because I had to scale it up. I had to scale it up to drop my liquidation to 34. Okay, I had to scale it up. I didn't want these people dropping Bitcoin all the way down. I'm making Quant to go below, because my previous liquidation was like 48, I think. Make it drop below 48, so I had to scale it. But the good thing about this, guys, is this. Look, once Casper goes to $1, I will have $71,000 versus what I had before. I think it was like $55,000. But now, because I scaled it up, now we'll have $71,000. By the time Casper hits that 3 to 4, let's say $4, this position will make me $326,000. Get it? Now, I believe Casper will go to $10, like I always tell you guys. I believe so. So by the time it gets to $10, okay, this position will make me $836,000. And this that just happened just confirmed it for me that Casper is about to run to $10. Okay, just watch and see. So anyways, Now let's go look at quant. See my quant, I'm still down because on my Casper, see, it has recovered. Oh my God. I told you guys, see, my Casper has recovered. I'm now back up to 8%. Last night, guys, yesterday, I was down. I was down almost 64%. 64% negative on my Casper trade. And on my quant trade, I was down almost 57%. Look at that. It has recovered. I'm now I'm still down, but at least this looks better than minus 60 or 57. But anyways, now that I scale up my quant, okay, look at this. I'm still believe quant will go up to 5 grand. So that's why I have that right there. So if quant goes to $5,000, this position will make me $1.2 million. I still believe it. That's why I still have it right there. And like I told you guys, I'm very aggressive trader. So by the time quant starts to take off those resistances, let's say 104, which is the first one, this position will make me $10,000. Like again, this is long term. I'm not going to close it until I get to the top or closer to the top of the bull run. Now, the all-time high, which is around 420, depending on what exchange you're looking at, by the time we hit the all-time high, this position will make me $89,000 versus before all-time high. Before I scaled it up, the all-time high would have given me $72,000. But as you can see, the more you scale up, the more your rewards are going to be. So now, I told you guys, I don't recommend you doing this, but I am a very aggressive trader. As you can see, I trade at 50x, 50x. That's how I trade at. Okay, so now let's go look at the short term on my Phemex. Okay, let's go look at Phemex right quick. Phemex right there. This is where I took the most hits from. This is where it was crazy, guys. This was so crazy, it was not even funny. Guys, I saw my position dropped. The entire position, I saw this thing drop to almost 1,900. The entire profit. So I had to move. So the profits, my position back on Bydfi on Jasmine, I had to close it, transfer those funds, some of those funds here. Look at my contracts now. You will see I still have my Casper and my Jasmine. Okay, look at that. My Casper, whoa, I'm back up again in profits. You can see my Casper, I'm back up 93%, which is $1,000. Okay, and my Jasmine, look at the difference. See, I scaled up my Jasmine to 8,500. And yet, guys, I am still down 41%. Again, I'm not worried about this. I know this thing has started to reverse. Now, what I want to show you is that you remember I told you guys we have the 4.5 cents, 5.5 cents. Okay, so by the time we head back there again, look at this. By the time we head back to 0.045, this position will make me $18,000. You remember the position yesterday before I scaled it up? This is the beauty of taking this risk, because now, yes, the market went down, yes, there were some losses, but the move up again, because I scaled it up, this movement upwards is about to make me 3 times the amount of money I should have made if the thing would have continued normally. It's an opportunity. I tell you guys, this is what we do. We look for these opportunities. Now let's see. By the time by the time Jasmine gets to 10 cents, this position will make me $63,000. $63,000. Let's say ultimate, again, the ultimate resistance, which is at 20 cents, this position will make me $146,000. Look at that, $146,000. Again, I am a very aggressive trader. I don't don't trade like me if you don't know what you're doing. As you can see, I got my positions at 50x. All of them, they are all at 50x. That's what we got going on right here. So yeah, excuse me. It was a very eventful day. Very, very eventful day. I don't even want to look at my stock portfolio, guys, because my stock portfolio is down. When I mean down, I mean down. My stock portfolio is down almost 70 to 80%. But the beauty of crypto is that this price reversal, you can make your money right back up. For my stocks, I think I'm just gonna have to wait until the government start doing something about their rates. Anyways, if you want to trade, and again, I did not recommend leverage trading if you don't know what you're doing. I still have the Phemex and the Bydfi links below. Okay, still have them below. Just sign up and start trading. You know, you can follow me, follow somebody else, or do you. Again, do not panic. At this millionaire journey, we don't panic. When there's blood in the streets, we scream. Round 3, money. It's time to make that money. Okay, when people are extremely fearful, that's when you get in. Like, again, I show you everything I do, every point. As you can see, I don't chicken out. I get in there. Okay, and hopefully you did the same, and hopefully we can sit here in 3 months to come and we will remember yesterday and be like, yeah, I took that trade and here I am today, out bullish. Everybody's crying. I don't, guys. I see this as an opportunity, and I hope you see it the same. Again, thank you for checking out my channel. Thank you for being part of this my millionaire journey. Please subscribe. I want to make it to 5,000 subscribers, okay, so that the family keeps growing. And please share this video so that you and other people like me with the same millionaire minded mentality, okay, we will see this. And the more you share, the more people. And please comment. I would like to know what you think about all this. And until then, guys, sorry. Until I see you in my next one, guys, please take good care of yourself, and bye-bye.